Hi everyone, welcome back to Bitcoingem channel. I hope you all are doing great. We look into two altcoins, TAO and ZEN. So first we're looking into TAO chart. TAO is currently facing resistance from this trend line which I have drawn over here. You can see this was a resistance, this was a resistance, this was a resistance, and it is currently facing resistance from the same trend line. So but it has broken out of this small in a smaller time frame. You can see it is broken out of this resistance zone, and currently it is testing this main resistance trend line. So there are two alternatives or two options. One is where it can come back, retest this as support, then go for a bounce, or it can directly go for the breakout. It's not the resistance that's important. If you are somebody who is long already, or if you want to know where can this price head, what is the most important thing over here is to see whether this support is being held. This was a very important support for TAO, which is at around $290 region. So as long as this support is being held well, the resistance will eventually get broken. So rather than wanting to check whether the resistance get broken or not, what we need to check is the strength of this trend. So there are two important supports for now. If this bullish momentum has to continue, one support is 290, and the second support, which is extremely critical, is this trend, which currently is at around $260 region. So as long as these two supports are holding well, we can say that the likelihood for TAO to break out of this zone and go for the retest of higher resistances is more, in my opinion. So the important price that TAO needs to hold if it wants some further upside is 290 and $260 region. As long as that is holding, it will eventually go for the retest of this zone, which is at 350, 370, and it can also go for the retest of this local high, which was back in November 25 at around $530 region. Just a small disclaimer, in Bitcoingem Genesis NFT group, I had already given a call of longing TAO at 260 and $270 region. So some of the participants from our group might be long all the way from 260 to $270. So that's TAO for you. Now the next chart we're looking at is ZEN. ZEN also has currently broken out of this important resistance, which was previous support. So around $6 region, you can say. That was a previous support. Eventually, TAO price broke below it. Now it is broken out of it and it's reclaiming that. So as long as $6 is holding on ZEN, we can say that it will likely go for the retest of higher prices. The obvious first price is at around $10 region. You can see over here. This was an important price. So it was a previous support from where we could see some bounce. So going for the retest of this $10 region, and eventually if it can reclaim 10, then 13, 18, and even 23, $25 region would be in the targets. So these are short-term trading opportunities. If you are looking to trade, if you're looking to long some trades or some coins, then these two are, I think, good opportunities. One is TAO, it is already broken out. If you want to take a TAO long, then I think you wait for this breakout and retest, and then you can do some long over here. Or if there is some pullback at around $280, $290 region, which is holding well, then you can look for a long. Zen is still in this buy zone, in my opinion, especially if you're not leverage trading and only spot trading, then Zen, I think you can take some risk because the risk to reward, in my opinion, is good. The risk is losing $1 per Zen, and the reward is gaining at least $3 to $4 profit in the short term. And if it can break $10 region, You can also target 13, 16. So the reward is in favor of the risk. So calculate the risk and reward, and then you can determine whether you want to take these trades or not. Guys, if you want to turn your stable coins into a massive yield, MEXC has just launched the USD1 star event and the numbers are wild. New users can earn up to 600% APR on USD1. That is one of the highest stablecoin yields in the market right now. And it gets better. If you deposit $10 USDT, you get a $10 USDT bonus instantly. So it's basically 100% return for just showing up. There's also a $100,000 prize pool up for grabs through deposit and trading tasks. Plus, they have zero fees on spot and futures for major pairs like BTC and ETH. And if you got some friends, you invite them, you can earn extra rewards, including ETH airdrops and entries into lucky draw just for trading. So don't leave money on the table. Hit the link in the description below and join the MEXC star event using Bitcoingem trading link option.